Hello, I welcome you all. My name is Raj Barge. I'm co-founder director of Raj Computer Education, and we are the company in job placements, internship, then live experience into companies. We also provides industrial training, industrial support, and so other kind of activity. I request you all to like, subscribe this channel, and share with your friends. So today we'll be doing this basic activity. We'll be trying to create this object with the help of absolute reference. Fine. So let's start. So first of all, we should know like what we are intended to do. So I'll be just increasing size of this. So first I have to draw this. Basically, this is a square, and this is inside another square. The first coordinate is 0, 0 coordinate here, and next coordinate is 10 by 7. So I'll be writing this as 10, and I'll be considering this. I'll be multiplying this all units by 10. So let's start with this first coordinate. So in this case, I'll be drawing a line here. This saying what is my first point? It's 0, comma 0. I press enter here. Then I have to go for another coordinate. So when it is coordinate at this location, say this is a coordinate location. So my the x coordinate travels 100 and y coordinate is not traveling, so it remains 0 only. So I'll be adding it. I'll be saying it's always you have to specify. Always we have to specify x coordinate. I'll be saying 100, comma 0. I'll be pressing enter. Then I have to travel up. My this coordinate is specified in my example. What is it? It's 100, comma 70. 7. I'm multiplying it, so it is 70. So I'm here. It's 100, comma 100, comma 70. It is that. Now it should come to the beginning. So it should come at this point again. So my x becomes now 0, but my y travels upwards, so it becomes 70. So it's 0, 70. So I'm here. We're saying 0, saying 0, comma 0, comma 70. And now last part is I have to go to I have to meet my starting line. So it is my starting line is 0, comma 0. I'll be saying C to close, and it is there. Now I think the object is drawn. I have to zoom it out. So I'll be saying zoom, fine. And I'll be saying all. A is for all. So it is showing me entire box. Now inside this box, I have to create this small box. So what it is showing? It is showing this coordinates. So my this coordinate is 1, comma 2. That means it is talking of what 10, comma 20. This is 3, comma 5. So it is what 30, comma 20. This is 3, comma 4. That is 30, comma 40. This is again 1, comma 4 because it is starting only. This is 1. Fine. So it becomes what? It becomes 10, comma 40. So let's try out this. It's first 10. Let's start with it. So I'll be saying first again line, enter. My first coordinate is 10, comma 20. I'll be saying it's 10, comma 20. enter. My next coordinate is 30 comma 20, so it is 30, it is 30 comma 20. Now my next coordinate is this 30 comma 40, it is 30 comma 40. My this coordinate is 10 comma 40. My this coordinate is 10 comma 30. I think I missed it. Is it 10 comma 30? No, it's 10 comma 40. I missed it. Now to undo it, it's very simple. You just say U. It comes to previous location. Again, you can say 10 comma 40. 10 comma 40. You have to close it. So you just say C. Now it goes to first starting point. So that is done. So this was very simple example. Fine. So now we should apply for this now. Now with the help of this, these are two coordinates which are being specified here. So this height is 20 and the width is 20. But two coordinates are given here. So can we find another rest of this? Yes, we can find it. This is 4.5 and 2. So in this case, my bottom two remains 2 only. बराबर है? And this distance is added to it. So what is that distance? So it's 4 comma 5 will be added with 2. So it will be 4, 5 and 6. It will be 6 comma 5 and 2. Let's try this. Fine. Here we are using at the rate angle. Fine. But in our example we will not be using angle. So let's start with this. So I'm starting with another example. Again I'm starting with line. Press enter. So my first coordinate is 4.5 comma 2. I'm getting my first coordinate. First point. Oh sorry. It's 45 comma 2 20. I undo this. So I say U. And then I say 45 comma 20. The point is that, and that will be added. See, it will be added this way 20. That is 2. So my next coordinate will be 45 plus 20. So it is 65. It is 65 comma, from bottom it is 20 only. To be saying 20. Enter. Now it is going up again by 20. So my bottom is 20 and up is 20. So my up becomes 40, but my x is still 65. So it says 65, 65 comma 20 plus 20, so it becomes 40. It goes up again from 40. It has to come to the starting point. My starting point was 45. So it is saying 45, 45 comma 20 and 20, that is 40. So my x has come to 45 point again. And to close it, I'll be saying C and it closes. So even we are having less coordinate, we can refer our previous drawing and get the values from here because it has been specified. Now in this case things are a little bit different. Only starting point is given and then distance is given. So this is from this point to this point. it is 1.5, and this is also 1.5. So all these angles are going to added with 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, and so on, x and y depending on situation. So it is 8 comma 2. So it is 80 comma 20. Let's start with this again. I'll be coming here. I'll be saying again line, enter. It is 80 comma 20. So I'm getting my first point. Now that is added with distance to the left is added with 15 again. So 18 plus 15 will be 105. So again I use this. I say 105, 105, comma, that will be added with 20 will be same again because it is from bottom, that is x coordinate. 85, that is 95, and 105. I think that is okay, fine. ठीक है. 15 is added ना. 15 is added. So 80, then 90, 95. I missed it. It is not 105, it's 95. I missed it. Calculation was wrong. Again I undo it. So I say what again? It's 95 and 20. 95 and 20. Okay, it is that. After that, I want to go for a height. So it is again plus, that is that 20 is added with 15 more. So my 95 is 95 only, that is x coordinate, and that is having 20 bottom plus 15, that is 1.5. So it's 20 plus 30 and 35. It's 35. It is having 35. Then again that 35 has to come to what? Again to this coordinate, and I know this is 80. So but this is this coordinate here itself. So it is 80 here. Huh? Fine. So I type it 80 as my x coordinate. 80 as my x coordinate. And after that, what we do? After 80, I specify what? Uh, it was started with what? It was started 80, 80 minus 95 minus it was 15. So that was 80, and next is what? 20 plus 20, 20 plus 15, it was 35. So 20 plus this is 35. Then to close it, I'll be saying close. Fine. So you might feel this is little bit complex, but it is not really complex. Only you have to understand how the things are going to work. Now I have to know what is the distance here. Fine. And how I can get center of this. Now to get center of this, I should know what is the distance from this point or this point. How it is to be understood. So this is to the center of this. Now in this, we are assuming that our, as per the previous example, previous thing what we did, this is the circle of 5. This is the circle with radius 7.5. This is having center, that is 65 comma कितना बोला 65 comma 60. So let's start with this. Fine. So I'm here. I'll be saying circle, enter. So my first coordinate was 65 comma 60. Enter. It is saying what is radius of circle? It's 5. I say 5. It is going for 5. Clear? Now I have to go for another circle. I'll be saying again circle, enter, and now what I'm saying again 65 comma 60 only, but my diameter is my radius is changed, that is 7.5. So this is all. Fine. Thank you. You please try to do this. I'll be having code. I'll be adding code at the end of this.